In this video, I will share with you step by step how to log in St.George online banking. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google, search for St.George Bank. This is the keyword, as you can see here. And then you will see this page from here. This page, click login, internet banking, login, this option, click this one. And then you will be redirected to login page. This is the page for login, as you can see here. In this case, all you have to do, write your all details, fill these details, such card customer, and this is for a card customer access number, and then write your security number here. After that, choose internet password. This is for internet password. After that, click login, this option. So friends, this is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video. You can also use the app to log in. Just download the St.George app. When you download this app, you can log in successfully without any problem. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon. Keep watching.